Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Home TV. Today we are going to talk about Dorico's fermata and hold input. So let's go. As usual, there are two ways of doing things in Dorico. One with the popover and one via the panel on the right. Let's start with the popover. First of all, make sure you are in write mode. After that, highlight a note or a bar line by clicking on it. So for example, this note. Then press Shift H on your keyboard to initiate the popover for fermatas and holds. Then write down your desired fermata. So let's say short fermata and then press Enter. Now you can see that our fermata is added to the score. The alternative to this method is to go to the right panel and open the fermata and hold toolbox, which is right here. After you click on it and once it opens, you have access to all of them. Simply click on one note and then click on the desired fermata or the other way around. So for example, I can select this note and then I go to a fermata and I add a fermata on it. Or I can just declick here, so nothing is highlighted. Then I select any of these desired fermatas or holds. So you just click on it. Sorry, I made a mistake there. You click on it and then you just put it wherever you want. As you can see, it's added here. All right, so before we get into more advanced features, I wanted to thank you all for being here. We just hit 1,000 subs and this gives me a lot of motivation to continue working on this channel. So thank you so much. And I also have a surprise for you guys. I'm pretty sure it will be useful to you. So keep on watching till the end. All right, so as you know, the lower panel in Dorico holds a lot of different options for each individual element in Dorico. And that goes the same with fermatas. Let's click on a fermata and then open the lower panel by clicking on the arrow. So I'm gonna highlight one and I will click on this arrow or anywhere on this box here which is highlighted to open the lower panel. The first option is fermata duration. It's a way to immediately modify your fermata to any other type of hold or fermata. So for example, I click here and then I modify it to short. And the second one will put your fermata on a bar line. So for example, if I click on this button now, attached to bar line and turn it on, you will notice that the fermata is now moved to the bar line. And there's another button here called max fermatas per staff, which is pretty self-explanatory. It works for situations where you have extra staffs or other instruments and you can just modify it to your liking. But now if you want to modify your playback and get more realistic sounding fermatas, this section of the video is for you. But before that, I wanted to let you know that I have created the official website of Home TV. Here you can find all the videos and some blogs in one place. So if you're looking for some videos or tutorials, you can find them here. But now, yeah, let's go. Let's go talk about Dorico now. And now the last part, which is the playback. By default, Dorico has two options to modify for fermatas. First is the hold duration and second is the gap duration. Hold duration lets you specify the time that you want Dorico to extend the duration of your note. And the gap duration option lets you modify duration after the note. And they work by modifying a percentage that is in front of them. And a final thing before I play some examples for you guys is that when you attach the fermata on the bar lines, you only get the gap duration. So for example, if I attach this to the bar line, attach this fermata, let's see, I'm going to turn off the hold and attach it to bar line. As you can see, the hold is gone. That is because the hold option is only available for notes, and if it's a bar, there's nothing to hold, it's just a gap duration. And now let's check out some examples with the hold and gap duration. And there you have it, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And till later. Homayun out.